Modern cities depend on reliable, efficient, and intelligent water distribution systems. In many projects, control systems lack integration, resulting in manual operation, higher energy consumption, and limited visibility across pumping stations. Ecosys designs and manufactures infrastructure-grade LT panels, PCC, MCC, APFC systems, and PLC and VFD-based automation panels. With state-of-the-art laser cutting, CNC bending, busbar processing, and disciplined fabrication systems, we ensure durability and long operational life. Our expertise in PLC programming, VFD integration, SCADA development, and IIoT enables demand-based pumping, remote station integration, flow monitoring, and centralized control. We understand water treatment processes, integrating treatment automation, pumping systems, and distribution networks into one intelligent platform. With advanced engineering tools and ERP-driven execution, we ensure documentation accuracy, traceability, and timely project delivery. For government authorities and pump manufacturers, Ecosys delivers reliability, efficiency, and intelligent control.